Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, it feels so good to be back. Okay, I cannot believe that it's finally 1st of Feb, and I had an awesome January. It's safe to say that January was the best month, and I had a very good start to 2025. I would like to say that I enjoyed the first month of 2025 to the fullest. I took a month off from everything. I just focused on myself. I focused on my goals. And I know exactly what I need to do in the next 11 months to achieve them. So I'm pretty proud of myself. And this whole month, I was just very happy. I was just living my life. I was just talking with my parents a lot of times. I was surrounded by my friends. And I just spent a lot of time alone, a lot of time reflecting on my life in general. And I now have a roadmap to what I exactly want and how to achieve it. So I am just I'm just happy and I'm very grateful. And I'm very grateful that you guys are still here and you guys are still watching. So in this vlog, I'm gonna be taking you guys through a very chill but productive weekend. It is very safe to see that I have a lot on my plate right now. A lot of fun things on my plate. So it's gonna be very exciting, it's gonna be productive, it's gonna be very chill, and it's gonna be very spontaneous. I don't have anything planned out for today or tomorrow. So I don't know what this weekend is gonna do. I don't know where it's gonna take us, but I promise it's gonna be fun. And let's just start this video. The start of the weekend is at 10 a.m. How fun. So I'm just gonna get ready for the same right now. And I just have one class. That's like 10 to 1, which is half of the day, but it's okay. They're gonna get ready. And I have to leave in 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes. Okay. Okay. So I had a very good start to my day. I had a very good start to the month, I guess. And I woke up at around 4 in the morning because I slept around 9 yesterday. And I feel so good. Like I woke up, I got a lot of things done. And then I worked out for a while. I took on some coffee, of course. And I'm gonna just dance for the rest of the time. I feel that dancing is so therapeutic, like just um blasting music and just dancing. I think it's my favorite activity to do. Like I can do that whenever I want, whenever I'm feeling low, I just put on some K-pop and I just dance because it's amazing. Also this month I'm gonna try to be more disciplined rather than being motivated to do something because I learned the hard way that that does not work. Also, I want to grow my social media presence. Shit, it's too hard. Also, I want to increase my social media presence. And I think I must be loved doing that. Like in Jan, I was not posting anything, I was not even talking to any camera. And I did feel avoided slightly. I did feel that there's something missing. And of course, that's something I'm going to be focusing this month. Rather this year in general. I'm going to develop myself and develop more. And when I travel a lot, not a lot, but like 2 to 3 countries, then I have one big goal, which is something I was aiming for since I was a little child. So that's gonna come true in like March, I think. So I cannot share it just yet because it's like still in the process. That's still I'm very secretive about it. But I was super excited for that. I thought I'd just like put it out there, like just in case tomorrow, not in case it's gonna happen. So tomorrow when I announce that it's not gonna be like, what?
Safe.
Another one of my main goals this year is to spend a lot of time with my parents to improve my relationship with them. Also to find people who are genuine and who can be my genuine friends. And of course, then there's relationship with me. I definitely want to improve that. I want to be more authentic, more loyal, more um, just me with me. I if I can put it in your mind for now. If I'm saying that correctly, I don't know. But yeah, I just want to be me with me in all aspects. I just want to grow in 2025. And I'm honestly super, super excited for it. I'm like channeling this energy around me, and I'm telling universe that I just want to grow. So yeah. So as I still have 10 more minutes before Rishika comes, I'm gonna show you what's in my bag. Just cause it's something. Okay, I have a book just to read if I'm getting bored, a notebook to sketch ideas, lip balm, hand cream, sanitizer, highlighter, a pen, Vaseline, which is empty. Then a water bottle. I'm gonna keep a water bottle, my AirPods, phone, of course, and my glasses. So my water bottle is half full because if it's fully filled, I get too overwhelmed and I don't drink water then. Is it just me or is it like very common to that? I think it's just. Final outfit for the day, and it's gonna be little cold outside, so I'm just wearing a jacket. But let's go. So it turns out that we are early in the class, so we're gonna go grab an ocean and we're gonna come back. Do you wanna say hi?
No. I don't want to say hi.
Okay, fine, but we are reunited. We did not see each other for the whole entire day yesterday. So yeah.
Let's go.
Okay. So introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Romansha.
Hello guys. So
I'm
we are
Manya.
working on elective right now. We have a pin-up on Monday. She's the leader. Yay! So this is our set.
Yeah.
So cool. Okay, so the story is that all of these girls die. That's like basically the story, that all the girls die at the end. Yeah. We are murderers.
Yeah.
I'm not putting this.
Hang the girls.
So our idea for the pin-up is that we are gonna hang the model of the girls, and these
We are
are
going to hang 4 girls.
yes, these
What
are.
if we get actual girls and we hang them?
Do you wanna
Such a
volunteer?
realistic model.
Do you wanna volunteer?
No, we will hang you first.
Okay. So hi, this is Sunina, and we are making garlands for Saraswati Puja. We also have Rishika.
Obviously, I'm in her every video.
Do you wanna say hi?
Hi.
That's so constant. Like everywhere I go, I'm like, do you wanna say hi? Do you wanna say hi? But yes, okay. So we are making garlands. I'm making time lapse cover. Hello. I have been back since an hour now, and I'm just working on my laptop. I was talking with my friend. I'm doing something very important and I'm not understanding a single thing on this application, and it's just killing me. Now my plan for the rest of the day is that I'm gonna get some computer work done, then I'm gonna work on some paintings, I'm gonna take a good bath, and then I'm gonna sleep probably. I'm gonna sleep early today and wake up early. I can wait to see you again. Filling out this application, and in one of the application there's like a picture of me, which is so horrifying. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. I can't believe this is a picture on one of my application, and it's just like No. So this is no. Wait. Just show your face, okay?
He's a senior.
No, he's
I do
not.
that with a senior.
No. Okay.
Look. At the first place, you usually call me Bhaiya, but you're not even that. And I'm
Dude, you're the foundation. You sit in a policy class. You sit in a policy
I'm
class.
20 years old.
No, you're not. Shut
But-
up.
You're 40 years old.
I'm 20.
Okay, so this guy, we have like Malai Kofta. We have like Malai Kofta for dinner today. And this guy goes like, I want 5 Malai Kofta. I want 5 Malai Koftas and 10 rotis. And we're like, what? And then he was like, I literally mean it. And then he was like, I literally mean it. So we're gonna go bring him 10 rotis and 5 Malai Kofta. So, okay, bye, let's go. Okay, that got long, bye. Vedant, look up. Look up. He's trying to. Look up. Okay, I stopped vlogging. Okay.
He knows you have.
He can see from his peripheral vision.
Actually,
Dude.
we have to work, not right now, please.
Okay.
It's like 4 in the morning. I don't want to be in the video because
It's fine.
it's like 4 in the morning.
Of course. It's 4 in the morning. We look horrendous.
Yeah.
I don't even know if that's a word, but it's okay. And we have to get up at like 6 in the morning. So we decided, like we came back half an hour ago. So
We decided not to sleep.
Yeah, we decided not to sleep. So we're just gonna watch a movie right now, and we are watching Final Destination 3. So yeah. Just completed Final Destination Part 3 and it was horrifying. Please don't watch it.
No, watch it. It was fun.
It was fun, but it was predictable. And please don't watch it at like 3:30 in the morning. Happy Sunday. It's actually 8:30 in the night right now. It's almost night. It's dinner time. So I just slept today. And I did not get to sleep during the weekdays, obviously. So it was not productive. I slept for like 15, not 15, what am I saying? I slept for like 10 hours straight, maybe. I don't know. And my mind is very blank right now because I need food in my system. So let's go. So I am back from dinner. And I don't want to work. Like, I'm super sleepy, so I think I'm just gonna go sleep now. Also, I just realized that I'm such a granny because all my friends are outside right now, and the only reason I did not go is because I wanted to sleep early and I wanted to get up early tomorrow. So yeah. So we are gonna live up to that promise, and I'm just gonna sleep. Okay, so I was saying that I'm gonna try to work, but I don't think anything's gonna happen. Very done.
Hello, that's a heart. 16 our residential college. But after this, we're gonna try to go to the open house for Sullivan.
Okay, I'm all tucked into the bed. Good night. Okay, so it is Monday, 3rd Feb 2025, and I just thought that I'll add this segment because I did not do a lot yesterday and I don't want this video to be 5 minutes long. So yeah, so I'm gonna leave for my class right now, and also I might have a reflection today which I'm still not sure about, but we'll get to know about that as we go on with our day.
A few moments later.
So I have a workshop today at 1, and for that I need to wear traditional, so I'm gonna go to my room and change. Okay, let's go. Hi, okay, so this is my full fit for the day. I am not gonna change my pants because I am already way too late. I'm just gonna do some touch-ups. There's the hair serum. Okay, it turns out that my hair serum is dead. What? Okay, so it turns out that my hair serum is over. I wear this. It's cute. I'm all ready. I messed up this eyeliner a little bit, but it's fine. We are gonna stay calm. And this is my fit for the day. I'm so proud. Wait a minute. This is my fit for the day. I love it so much. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the exhibition hasn't started. We are waiting for the dignitaries to arrive.
Yeah.
They are half an hour late.
Very bad, very bad.
And we are trying to call a friend. She's not picking up.
Yeah. She's so bad.
She's the worst.
Exactly.
We love
ऐसे
you.
कौन करता है?
We love you. How do you do this? Okay, bye. Okay, let's show the exhibition.
Yes.
You tell them, okay? What is this? Okay, I'll just take a montage. Hi. I just came back from puja. And someone on our campus just asked out a senior. Okay, so we have a tradition that for freshers, we have to ask out a senior, and someone from our batch just did. Wait, I'll call my roommate later.
Okay, so listen to my game plan, which I'm very proud of. So I slept at 7:30 yesterday, and right now it's 1:30 a.m. right now. And my game plan is that Yukta's gonna show up at 7 in the morning, and the room is a mess. And I don't want it to be a mess when she shows up, because she's gonna travel a lot and she's gonna come. So I want to decorate the room a little, not decorate actually, clean the room a little bit. That would be equivalent to decoration. But I will do that, and I also have to do a lot of work. Yesterday I was just very tired, that's why I just slept. But my main goal is today to clean the room and to complete this painting, which I've been putting off since like 2 days now. And then so I'm so proud of this plan, and now let's go work. I'm just gonna drink a coffee first, because coffee is a must, and my cream doesn't function without a coffee. Did I say that right? I guess. Okay, let's go. Cheers.
Happy spring semester, everyone!
Okay. Step 1 of cleaning the room is done. I folded all my clothes, and now to reward myself, I found this random jelly in my bag, so I'm gonna eat it. And it actually matches one of my acrylics. Not really. This one? Yeah. So this is pink. It's pink, guys. Okay. So I did not paint, and it's already 4:45. I don't know how time just passed away, and but it's like my normal waking up time. So I'm gonna journal and I'm gonna carry on with my normal morning routine right now. Okay, so I'm very consistent in journaling. Like I'm trying to be consistent. So on the days where I don't want to journal, I'm just like I'm writing this much only. So yeah, but it's cool. I like how consistent I am. And at least I'm getting sometimes. Hi. Okay, so I'm back from my gym. Right now I'm just gonna drink some hot water and I'm gonna eat raisins for my first breakfast. Surprisingly, I'm not drinking coffee. It's just gonna be water and raisins. And I'm gonna watch Grammys. I'm super excited for that. So I'm gonna be ending my vlog right now. Like I'm gonna be ending my vlog here. And I'll meet you guys in the next one. It was so fun vlogging 3 days of my life, and thank you so much for being here. And if you watched till this part of the video, thank you so much and I love you so much. Like, share and subscribe. I feel that I can do a lot better. So like if you stayed till this part of the video, thank you so much. Like and subscribe, and I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.